Introducing the Smeg 10-in-1 Countertop Oven. This small oven packs a mighty punch in the kitchen. With the iconic Smeg retro design with classic curves and Italian styling, this countertop oven not only looks fantastic, but benefits from the same technology as Smeg built-in ovens. With a large 30-litre cooking capacity, this countertop oven is ideal as a secondary oven for additional flexibility within the kitchen. The 10 functions available means that there are endless cooking possibilities. These functions include air fry for golden and crispy results using less fat in less time. Perfect for homemade chips, wedges and breaded chicken. With such a huge capacity, you can whip up a meal in no time. Fan assist as the bake function for even browning and a beautiful rise for cakes and pastries. Convection, perfect for crispy and golden roasted veg and potatoes. Grill and gratin, which creates a bubbling, melted finish for dishes like lasagna, potato dauphinoise and pasta bakes. Bottom heat is used for base baking, great for pizza, pastry tarts and crisping from the bottom up. This oven also offers the benefit of steam. For a more nutritious and space-saving equivalent to boiling on the hob, use 100% steam to cook dishes such as rice, vegetables, even bagels and bao buns for delicious results every time. Convection steam combines oven heat with bursts of steam, great for retaining moisture in foods. Perfect for loaves of bread, cakes and even perfect roasting results. With caramelised exterior thanks to the oven heat and a tender, juicy interior thanks to the addition of steam, this is the perfect function for roasting. Grill steam is ideal for cooking pork chops and sausages to caramelise on the outside whilst keeping them succulent and tender. The warm function, to gently keep food warm after cooking for perfectly timed serving. Defrost, gently defrost food in a contained environment at a safe temperature without cooking the food. Additionally, if you're unsure where to begin or which program to select, there are 33 tried and tested automatic programs to make cooking simple. Whenever you want perfect results every time, simply select the program, input the weight and allow the oven to work its magic. There's a handy guide easily accessible to display the different options for the automatic cooking programs. In addition, scan the QR code to visit Smeg's My Assistant page for useful hints, tips and advice for using the Smeg oven. This countertop oven even has its own built-in cleaning function using steam. To watch a video on how to do this, please click on the video linked in the description. Being the perfect size to sit on the countertop and running off a standard 13 amp plug, this 10-in-1 appliance is the perfect addition to every kitchen. The possibilities of this oven are endless, allowing you to explore new ways of cooking. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.